Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I will show you how you can find on CouponBet all the contact information from every travel agency and of course specifically from JAL or Japan Airlines. So imagine you have a customer and the customer is going to fly to Japan and they have a specific question. You don't know the answer and you want to call right away directly to Japan Airlines. Sometimes it's very hard to find the contact information from an airline. However, in CouponBet we have a database with every airline currently available in the Philippines. So let me show you exactly how. So for example, we go here. Once you're logged in, just click here on Tools, and in here we can find all the information from every travel agency currently available. And what we need now is Japan Airlines. You just click on this, and once you click on this, you can see all the information from JAL or Japan Airlines. First of all, you can see here their official logo, you can see their company name, you can see their IATA code, and of course their Philippine landline number, and you know where they're located. They're located in Makati. So this is very useful, and it helps you to organize your travel agency better and to serve your customers even faster. So if you like this kind of information and you like it well organized, just go and register for an account on CouponBet. To do that, just go to couponbet.com, the official page, and then you just click here on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you get this wonderful page here, and all you have to do is to put in all the information, click on register. Once you did that, you get an email. Open up the email instantly and click on the link. Once you click on the link, your account has been activated. So it's all very easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Go and organize your travel agency by joining CouponBet.